Welcome to Ben Talks Money. Here we discuss stocks, investments, ETFs, and personal finance.
Hello there, welcome back to Ben Talks Money. My name is Ben. I have an MBA in Finance and Management. I've been trading for 8 years. I'm a full-time options trader. In today's video, just like we do every day, we take a look at the stocks that are making the most moves on the market. And these are the stocks that every trader will be looking at today. So what we do is that we take a look at the daily chart to see the levels that we'll be entering these stocks for trade. And today being the last day of the year, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, and humbly please give me a subscription as my New Year's gift. Let's take a look at the QQQ to see where the market is standing right now. As of the time of recording, the futures are down. The Nasdaq futures is down. S&P futures is down, the same as the Dow. And you can see here that on the daily chart, you can see that the Nasdaq is trying to pull back. The QQQ is trying to pull into the 50-day. The 50-day is around $616, and it's right now sitting at around 617. So just about $1 into the 50-day, we will see if you pull into the 50-day, going into the open, and then it will hold, or let's say if it's going to break and come down here just like it did the other day to about $600. I don't think we're going to get all that move today, but we'll see what the market do today, because this is the last day of the market, the last day of the year. So we will see how it goes. And other things that we take a look at is gold. Gold has done incredible this year. I'm not sure how it's going to perform going into next year, but you can see that it's also pulling back now. So let's see how it goes from there. The other one is silver. Silver has been crazy the past couple of days. You know, it touched 70 and then huge drop, and then come back here to touch 70 again yesterday. And now in pre-market, this thing is sitting right here at 65. So it's been a lot of up and down in this name. I don't know, but it looks like it's a lot of profit taking is going on. At the same time, it looks like there's a lot of people who are willing to buy this name as well. So I'm not sure what's going on with silver, but okay, let's get into the stocks that are making the most move. The Nasdaq is down, the market is down, but there are some stocks that are still making a lot of moves on the market. And that's what we are going to look at today. That's what we are going to possibly trade today. So the first one that we take a look at today is ANGH. ANGH. This name is up right now. It's up 62% as of the time of recording, and it's sitting at $3.77. It's going crazy, and I'm sure this is the name that every trader on the market today is going to look at. Every day trader is going to look at ANGH today. So if you are trading, make sure that you pay close attention to this name. And right now, it's sitting here around $3.77, and this is right here. It is right here. So it looks like it has a lot of room to go. If we look at the daily chart, there's a lot of room for this name to go. There's room to go to about 450. There's room to go to about 450. But before that, the 200-day is sitting right here around 425, right? The 200-day is sitting here around 425. So we will definitely get some form of a resistance in that area if we keep going. But this thing is still going as I'm talking to you right now. It's still going, and I'm sure a lot of traders are going to pay attention to this name today. Okay, so just make sure if you're trading this name, just be careful of your entry and your exit. Make sure you don't get caught up the last day of the year. The next one that we take a look at is AFJK. 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 This one is up. This name is up 35% in pre-market. Yesterday, it went up 96%. So this is a continuation push. And right now, it's sitting here around $120. Okay. So if you look at the daily chart, there is no resistance, no support. So this is a name that is going to be very, very jumpy. It's going to have a lot of spread. So if you are trading this name, just be careful, manage your trade accordingly. You can be down $2, $3, $5 in a second. So just make sure you use a good risk reward management system if you are trading this kind of name. Okay. All right. So the next one that we take a look at is ORIS. ORIS. This name is up 40% as of the time of recording, and it's right now sitting here around $1.71. This is not a name that I'm personally going to trade. I think I'll focus on the first two that we talk about. But if you're interested in a name like this would be for you. Okay, just make sure the chat here. I can't even do much with the chat because I don't know if they did a reverse split or something like that, but it's a little bit messy here on the chat. So if you're interested in this name, make sure that when the market opens, you use your 30 seconds chat or your 1 minute chat to see where this is headed, and use your tape. Watch the tape to see if there's any possible move in this name that favors your strategy before you take a trade on this one. Okay, so that's it for ORIS. The next one I'm taking a look at is ASPC. ASPC. That's the next one that we take a look at. And this name is up 20% in pre-market as of the time of recording. And it's right now sitting here around $30. Sitting here around $30. The chat is a little bit, I don't know if I'm missing something here, but the chat looks like a recent IPO or something like that back in 2021. But okay, let's see. The thing is that it doesn't have a lot of volume, by this couple of days here. There's some volume here, but it's moving. So we are traders. We take a look at it. It's here at $30. So this kind of names, what you have to do if you're interested is use the dollar range as your exit and your entry point. You usually have resistance, let's see, at $30, $31, $33, $34, and sometimes maybe the 50 cents level also, the $half level. But just make sure that you do your own due diligence. Make sure that the trade fits your risk profile again before you take the trade. Be mindful of it. Today is the last day of the year. Don't take any crazy trade that is going to cost you today. Okay, so the next one that we take a look at today is VNDA. VNDA. So VNDA. So this name is up 19% as of the time of recording, and it's right now sitting here around $8.47. $8.47. On the daily chart, this thing looks like it's coming into here. If you look at the daily chart, it has room to go, right? This name, okay, let's see here. There's more here. But it has room to go, right? If it's able to hold about $8.50, there'll be room for this thing to go to around $8.90, probably around $9 there. So it's something that if you're interested in this kind of name, just be mindful with it. This also has options. So when it start moving, then the options start coming in. You're going to see a lot of moves in this name. The stocks that have option change on them, when they are moving, they really move because people are also trading options with it, which also helps to move the stock in the direction that is the momentum is taking it to. Okay, so if you're interested in this name, just make sure that, again, use your chat, your favorite chat, use your favorite indicators to make sure that this trade fits your risk profile. The next one that we take a look at, which is the last one, is ULY. ULY. This name went up 52% yesterday. It went up 52% yesterday, and today it's up 14% as of the time of recording and sitting here around $3.13. So if this is something for you, $3.18. If this is something for you, you can see here that it's hitting some form of a resistance here. There's a resistance coming in here. You can see from the daily chart, this here, here, and then the top of here. So it's something that you have to be careful about. Ideally, you want to see a pullback into $3. If it pulls back into $3 and you see volume coming in, this is something that you can definitely take a look at and see if there's going to be a continuation. The good thing about stock that made a move the previous day is that it's already on a lot of traders' radar. A lot of traders already looking at it. Those who missed a trade yesterday, those who had some good trades on it yesterday, they'll be looking at it today. So usually these kind of names, they get volume, they get the move if they decide to go. So, and they can also do a huge reversal, as the other thing can do a huge reversal. So be mindful of how you trade it. Do your own due diligence. Be careful of today. It's the last day of the year, and wishing you all a happy new year and a prosperous new year. And if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share. And until next time, let's keep talking money. Happy New Year.